What is one of the major problems? Okay, for in that situation, when the CD machine is writing that there's no disk, there's normally some ways, or there's normally, in some own circumstance, it do write that there's no disk. Even though you have inserted the disk, it will show you that there's no disk inside. Some of this problem it could be the placement for this one is a VCD. These are video cassette disc. While there's also the other one so-called DVD, digital video disc. You will find that when you put a DVD in a VCD, the VCD will not be in a position to read the disc. But when you take a VCD and put it to a DVD, it will read. Also, there's also a case for you seeing that there's no disc, even though you have put the disc inside. One of the measures of this one is that could be the lens is dirty, or the disc itself is dirty. The other thing will be that the format of that disc is not smart. The speed is very high. That can lead to no disc even though you have placed inside it. Also, there's a situation whereby, for instance, like this one, if you press it, you see that the machine is not functioning. In such a situation, you're going just to put it off and leave it for some time, so that the condensation inside it can be released. Otherwise, there's nothing you can repair with this disc.
Why is it that when the summarize can read on the VCD and when the DVD they cannot read?
Okay, that's a good question. In VCD, these are come from these are machines which come from China. They have taken the DVD machine, the DVD disc, and they have tried to synthesize it in a manner that their machines can read them. Because you find a DVD, one disc like this one can carry more than 3 movies, 8 hours. While a VCD, these are just machines which have been formatted in a very low speed in order for the machine to read. Also, you come to realize that the DVD cannot be played in a VCD because the speed in which they normally download the DVD is very high than that of the VCD. Yes. Can you? So let's say if there is that poor alignment of the machine, how do you do about it?
The poor alignment of the machine, there you contact a technician.
Because as far as you have been told that these machines cannot be repaired.
There are some problems that can be repaired.
For instance, like alignment, I think alignment is just a way of just arranging those cells into a manner, because it could be the alignment is being caused by maybe there's a broken belt or there's an open IC. The IC is not functioning very well, so that it cannot produce a signal to the motor in order for the dot to come out. Thank you. Okay, these are dead set of the TV. The TV is not functioning at all. So, as you as a technician, what are the first troubleshooting will you start with?
Okay, here you start with the fuse. First of all, check the fuse. The fuse is here.
Okay.
So you first of all check it, then you go to the switch. switch
Can I ask you a
can be
question? What are the faults which lead to the blow of the fuse?
Okay, there can be an overload in the power supply that may cause it to blow up. Yeah.
Okay, can we also say that the fuse can blow because maybe there's a shorting in the
circuit?
In the circuit.
Exactly.
So you as a technician, or we as a technician, we are supposed to first solve the problem before we replace the fuse. Because should we replace the fuse, it will continue interfering with other components. So what can be the cause of the opening of the switch?
The opening of the switch can also be caused by the transistors in the circuit.
Okay. Okay. Also, like in addition to it, the opening of the switch can be faulty. Let's say when there is a poor contact, because you have the switch, some switches which are you just press, push or pull. So should you if you push it, there's that is between the leads, so it cannot make the contact, and that's why there's an open. What else more?
Okay, the cord also, this one here, can be the problem of it being dead.
Okay.
So,
okay, that's true, because if the cord is open, there will be no current passing through it. What about the socket?
The socket can also be, to an extent, a problem.
So suppose you have undergone all these, because I have made to understand there's also a capacitor, there's also some diode. What if the diode is shorting? What will cause?
So the diode is shorting now?
Let's say the diode is shorting in the screen. What can be the result of it?
The rectifier diode.
Yes, when the rectifier diode is shorting.
So that one may be caused due to the IC, the integration circuit.
Okay. So if it's shorting, if we put it on, I think it will be automatic, the fuse will blow. Thank you very much.
What is normally do?
Yes, that's a good question. Can you answer him? Continue. Pardon.
What is normally do?
Okay. After you bring the set, I will automatically start by checking the cord. I first of all check the cord. When the cord is poor, I'll replace it first. Is when I open it.
After opening, what do you want? What do you type?
Okay, that's what I was saying.
No, what's happening?
After opening it, I'll check the switch. The switch. I already explained them.
When the switch is banned, from the current from the socket, something, one of the wire is disconnected, or something wrong,
That's a very good question, Ray. You know, at times, somebody can just bring to you a TV that the TV is dead. So before you do anything, you should first try to operate it, because it could be the TV is good, but the problem is just operation. Because you know, some of our clients, they don't know how to operate this thing. For let's say some 2 years back, when the UHF starts working here in Kisumu, you come to realize that majority of those people who have black and white TV, they could not realize that in order this thing to work, you have to put it in a UHF. Because if you put this thing in a UHF, this turn into a UHF, is when you are going to get the signal here. And by the time you're rotating it, you are going to vary the frequency here, and when you are going to receive the picture. Thank you.
Another question.
Yes.
Suppose my TV is banned.
Yes.
The screen.
Yes.
Is it possible for it to be replaced, or what is the cost of that?
Okay, this one here is the screen. The screen also do have some problems. For instance, if it's a colored television, if it falls down, you will not be in a position to get the screen. To get the quality picture, the color will be faulty. But in most likely place, when it falls, no matter which position it falls, this yoke will normally cut off. Also, the tube they normally give the guarantee of 10 years. After 10 years, the tube can be faulty. You will not be in a position to get the picture.
It cannot be replaced.
Yes, it cannot be replaced. No, it cannot be repaired, but now the option is only to replace the fuse.
Okay. Thanks. That's what I wanted to know. And go on.
You know, where the next thing. This problem is normally called a vertical problem. What normally causes that problem? This is horizontal, whereby the line just passes across the screen.
Okay, the problem is caused by
Excuse me, you have to talk loud because is when I can hear you very well.
Okay.
Also for the audience.
Okay, this is the problem. This is like, I think you are all seeing it. This might be the problem.
Okay. So in case there's that horizontal line, is normally there's luckily this one which is faulty. And what causes this thing to be faulty? Because in a normal circuit it cannot just go faulty.
Okay. There can be an open somewhere that may lead it to be open.
Okay. Okay. Even though you have changed the IC while the line is still there, there is also some other factors which can lead to that one. We have this Y line, which normally feed the yoke. So there are 4 lines here, 4 wires. One which will enlarge it horizontal, and the other one which will enlarge it vertical. So if should one fail, then you'll probably get that line. Should the horizontal one fail? And in most black and white TVs, this problem is normally being caused when you have reversed the battery, the polarity. And what can we do to avoid this reversing of the polarity?
Okay, there you can use some dials to prevent that.
Okay.
So we normally say that when the horizontal section is bad, we check the vertical section.
Okay, I can understand you very well. So we check the vertical section because already the horizontal is good, it's open, but now the problem is it cannot be enlarged. So when there is a horizontal line, we mean that the vertical is okay. Thank you very much.
When the horizontal goes wrong, something goes wrong there.
Yes.
And you say the ICU. How do you know the ICU is wrong? In the course of the course.
Okay, it is not ICU, but it is IC, integrated circuit.
ICU.
So you'll know it's faulty when you see that line. That one will show you that it might be that one or some resistors that are next to it. There are also some resistors, so you have to measure them and get whether they are good or they are faulty. So after getting them, when there's the circuit here, you'll follow them one by one till you reach up to the IC's line.
What causes this? When you're watching your television, you see it starts going up, going this. When somebody is talking there, it goes like this. What causes that?
Okay, that is, we normally call it the rolling of the picture. It keeps on rolling. We normally have the vertical roller here. So if it's rolling, you are supposed to rotate this knob here to vary it. If you rotate it clockwise, it will move down. And clockwise, it will move up. So you have to put it in the middle in order to get a clear picture. Thank you.
Thanks.
There's sometimes when you are watching your television, the picture is clear, but this alarming sound which come out with a loud sound, which is not the normal sound from the TV. What causes that?
Okay, that one may be caused by the volume switch, the variable resistance. Yeah, you'll find that at times they do become dirty. When they're dirty, it's when you'll hear that because the switch is dirty.
So it cannot vary.
It cannot vary the sound.
Yes, the picture is clear. The sound is clear, but the picture is also can be seen, but there somehow is snow. You can say the picture has some snow. No picture.
Okay, this one can be caused by two areas. So you'll have to check the area. And it can also be caused by this ABC.
Okay.
automatic
Gain control.
Yeah.
Can we also say that, okay, this one is a video problem, video, which causes the snow in the to appear the screen, despite the sound is clear. So, okay, within that section, we normally have this IF section. Can it also cause it to that? So how are you going to adjust the automatic jump control? Because you have been told that it's something which someone like a preset.
You use a screwdriver.
Okay.
And
Okay, the snow which appears in the picture can also be caused by the dirty tuner, especially in the VHF, which are normally being used in the black and white TV. But this is very simple. You can solve the tuner by replacing it with a new one or by cleaning the VHF tuner. Here is the dancing picture. The picture and the sound is clear, but this picture is dancing, wobbling. We normally call it a wavy picture. Wobbling of the picture. So in this case, also the flyback can also cause this one, because it's the flyback which feeds the tube. So in case there's that low voltage, the picture is going to be wobbling.
But yes, some say maybe the area is not too.
Okay, in some channels, okay, in some channels, for instance, like Sky News, if the aerial is not stable, it will bring this problem. Or if in case there's interference from outside, it will also bring this problem.
Other question,
Yes.
something I used to see in my TV. There's, you might think there's a lot of rain somewhere.
Yes.
Yeah. Things like Michelangelo.
Okay.
that one is called rasta.
Yes, that one is called rasta.
It can be due to mistuning. Mistuning of the channel. If it is not properly tuned, it will cause that problem. Another thing may be caused by due to error. When the error is not in a position, in a well-positioned position, it will cause that problem.
Okay, can I ask you also another question? This one is mostly common in the both TV, black and white, and also with the colored TV. You'll here come a case whereby the sound is there, sound is very clear, while the brightness is at full, but the screen is still blank. What can be the cause of this one? Or what is the fault with this one? There's sound, but there's no picture. Yes.
No picture.
Yeah, there's sound, but there's no picture. The screen is totally black.
Sound, no picture.
There you have to take things like
But so which particular are you going to check? Because here come a case, TV is normally being divided into sections. Can we go into horizontal section, because you have been told that through the horizontal part is whereby it feeds the tube.
No, there you have to check the video section.
Okay, let me give you let us take a sample of the screen. That's whereby the screen is totally blank, but there's sound. What do we do with this?
Okay, you check the flyback. After checking the flyback, you check the transistor.
Okay, that is we do call it Darlington transistor.
Darlington transistor. Yeah, after checking, now you deal with this part only.
Okay, that's the horizontal part. Okay, besides the horizontal, we also have the diode. So at least you can also check the diode, because if it's open and it's the one which also feeds the transistor, the Darlington transistor will not be in a position to get that voltage, and therefore you are going to get totally blank. Also, there's also one thing we can comment. You know, with the TV tube, they normally give a guarantee of 10 years. So after from that point, the tube is not supposed to be working. I think we can also comment that the tube can also be faulty.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, with the CPU, this is the central processing unit of the TV. In case the CPU is bad, you see in a TV there's this thing so-called, which normally there's this letters normally appear in blue, the related program, menu, If the CPU is wrong, you will not be in a position to see these things. They will not be invisible. Secondly, also the CPU is the one which controls the power. If the CPU is wrong, you come to realize that the red emitting diode is on, but the CPU is not switching. Because it is the CPU which normally trigger the horizontal in order to switch. Also, besides the CPU, you also have this memory IC. Because it comes to realize that at times, the TV is not in a position to store the channel. So this is, we are talking about the color television. If it's not storing the channel, this means that the memory IC is faulty. Also, if the CPU is faulty, the remote commander will not work. Also, there's also some factors if it's got to do with the remote. Do you know some of the factors why remote cannot work? Can you give us the details why remote at times do fail?
Okay, let's say when you reverse the battery.
Yes, if you reverse the battery, automatically the remote will not work.
Yeah. And when
there's poor contact with the battery, it will not also work. Also, if the sensor of the battery is faulty, either of the TV it will not work. It will not work. Also, if you are pointing, instead of you pointing the TV and you are pointing at the door, the remote will also not work. Also, the memory IC, if in case it's faulty, you have come to hear that you will not be in a position to see what? Picture. That data is not going to be there. The remote will not be appearing. In some TV, you will be able to see Akira. So if the memory IC is not working, you will not be in a position to see those Akira.
Now, how are we going to know that this might be the problem? Because in some TV,
yes,
when you set the remote, they automatically trigger and they play. Now, how are we going to know that this is the problem?
Okay, with the IC, it's normally very hard to know whether it's working. So, but let's say with those micro ICs, especially with the memory IC, it's very hard to know whether the IC is good or bad. So we normally just try by substituting it.
What I wanted is the colors.
Okay, the colors. Okay, the colors, we normally also have the chroma IC. Chroma IC is also, it's doing aware that the color is normally going to be controlled. Also, the disappearance of the color can be in the case of the chroma IC.
Maybe I'm getting my friend. There's a time that you will see color red.
Yes.
That stands by.
Yes. Okay, we're talking about the red emitting diode.
Yeah. Those ones. See, are they connected to the memory IC?
Okay, with the red color, this one is when the TV is on, but the screen is the screen is not displaying any picture. Which means this here, at this point, the red light emitting diode is at what? At the standby. So if you press the program, the red emitting diode will change to blue, and the screen will display picture. Okay, the red emitting diode, this is a diode which also, it helps the technician to know whether the power supply is good. If the red emitting diode is not on, which means the TV is not switching on at all. And if it's not going to be blue, then there must be something wrong with the CPU and the memory IC. Okay.